Right, so Mark Gurman in a new report headlined the main features of Apple's 8K VR headset, and so let's delve into it. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours, and with that being said, let's just tuck in. Right, so Mark Gurman says there's going to be 3 key areas this headset by Apple is going to be focusing on, and that is gaming, media consumption, and also communication. So in the words of Gurman, he says, look for animojis and a VR FaceTime-like experience to be the new age Zoom. So what I'm assuming this means is that when you call somebody, you can of course create a virtual place around you. So maybe you could be at their home, or maybe virtualizing a park, a restaurant, basically anything you can imagine. And of course the animojis come into play if of course you want to enter the virtual world as an avatar of sorts, and so the Apple headset uses your animoji, and that most likely is going to imitate your face expressions and body movements. I think this is where the 12 cameras on the actual device come into play, because this is basically going to create a realistic representation of the place you of course create. So yeah, that in itself just sounds really cool, and I can't wait to see the demos for that. Now obviously moving on to the gaming aspect, this will be the main feature for the headset in my opinion, because of course VR gaming is a massive market, and obviously Apple's trying to get this headset out as soon as possible to grab as much market share as possible. And well, the hardware is definitely very high end. We're going to see a chip that's going to be on the levels of the M1, dual 8K displays, a super light frame that's going to be under 150 grams, and also a fan. So this clearly is being built for high-end gaming, and again, I can't wait to see the immersiveness of gaming on the Apple headsets, especially considering the displays are going to be so high-res, since do note, a lot of VR headsets on the market right now only have 1080p or 4K displays, and so as a result, they're not as realistic and immersive. Now, the final thing, media consumption, also makes a ton of sense because, like I've said in previous videos, this will replace your TV in the very near future in my opinion. Since of course, just imagine watching TV shows and movies in a VR experience, that's going to be quite spectacular, and so this is going to be another main selling point for the Apple headset. And yes, I know there aren't a lot of TV shows and movies that are being made with the VR format in mind, but do remember that once a major player like Apple enters the market, that means way more studios are going to have the incentive to make their stuff in VR too, since of course Apple is a massive company and this headset is undoubtedly going to be pretty popular. Also, do remember that Apple has their own streaming service, and so I'm sure they're going to implement the framework and show off how amazing this is to other companies, and then of course they can implement that for their own content. And so yes guys, the next few years of these VR and AR headsets are going to be pretty exciting, and I can't wait to see this new Apple headset launch next year. But guys, tell me in the comments below, what do you think is going to be Apple's main USP with this headset? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. Check out the video in the card above on details regarding the iPhone 14, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps.